Okay, in today's video, we're gonna be playing One Arm Cooked for the first time. So, what I do here? Order food. That's what I want. And this. Hold on. Wait, what? What do I do now? Five $2 session. Oh, what? Is that a truck? Oh, oh, okay. Uh, Wobbly hand, right? There. Let's go. Hey, take me no, don't take. Okay, I guess I cook. Let's see what you order. Sausage, plain sausage. All right. What I do? That's what I do. Iron, iron. Cooked. I just feed it in like this. All right, easy. Take it. Eat it. All right. Oh my bad. My bad, bro. My bad. Hey, don't you forget? I won't forget about you. How many seconds I have? 50 seconds. All right. Hey, yo, wait, hey. Mm-hmm. All right, now we got a bread. We're gonna cook both. Plate. Cook. You don't want to burn it. Throw it there. I'll cook it. Yo. How do I? Wait. Oh. Yo. Alright, gotta have that right. How do? Yo, he just left. Oh no. You know. Wasted a perfect, perfect bread. Yo. What I do? No, let's wash dishes. Um. Um. Wait, hold up. How do I wash these dishes? Oh. Okay. Hey, clean it well. Oh. Alright, guys. All ready for your food. Let's see. A hot dog, plain hot dog is weird request. Oh well. Weird request. Weird request. Alright. Yeah. I'm lost. Put it there. Why want to chop? Yeah. Yo, this game is so clumsy. Well, I think I'm clumsy. But, hey, hey, let go. Come back here. No, come here. You want the hot dog? Take the hot dog. Take it. No, you take. Sausage and bread. What? Yo, what? What am I? Ah! Oh no. Yo. Alright, guys. We'll do it again. We're doing it one more time, guys. One more. You know what, now? Yeah. Alright, one more. Come on, let's do this. You know what? You know what? I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I did not mean to do this. This part's gonna be cut off. This part's gonna be